Hello, in this video I want to show you how to delete photos from KODAK PIXPRO. And to do this, first let's click on this button, then go up to your menu, and here we want to go for the third page. Inside, make sure that the photos you want to remove are unprotected. You can reset the settings right here for protection. Then we want to scroll down for delete, and you can delete one photo, data folder, content group, or all of the photos. I want to go for one photo, and you can see that this one is actually protected, so we're gonna change to another one, and this one is unprotected, there's no key. And now go up and delete one, and it should be removed. So be careful because it doesn't give you any confirmation. It will just delete the photo straight from your camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.